Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to settle payment on Splitwise. Now, the first thing I want you to do is just launch up Splitwise and just locate the expense or the group the expense is in. So for me, I'll come here at the bottom left, click on groups, and you should see your groups. I'll click on London. Right here, as you can see, we have one expense that's pending, which is flight of lent 2,500 dirhams. Now to settle up, all you need to do is click on this settle up button, this orange button right here. And then what you can do is go ahead and settle this balance so we can record a payment. So whatever the amount is, if they paid in full, sure, you can enter the full amount. Okay. And if you want to also record the payment method, you can click here on the bottom right, click on that pencil icon, and you can add a payment description. Maybe they pay through PayPal or Venmo. You can add that as well, or the reference message. Okay. Then come at the top right, click on the check mark, and then you can click on that check mark again. And we have basically settled up. That is how you settle payment in Splitwise.